Hello everyone, we are the student of second semester Tech University. As a part of Engineering Exploration course project, we are working on land dwelling under the guidance of Jyoti ma'am. I am Ritik with my teammates Shubham, Satvik, Musarraf and Nityanshu. Problem definition: design a semi automatic powered machine that dredges into the sand upon detection of obstacles and moves accordingly. The machine should be safe, user friendly, portable, and operated remotely. The size of the machine should be under 1.5 by 1.5 by 1.5 feet and should be able to dig approximately 5 centimeter deep in the sand. The budget should not exceed rupees 4000. The machine should be able to work multiple times. Function tree and function clustering. In our system land dwelling, we have identified four functions. First one, digging, that is dig in sand and throw the sand. Second, movement, body movement, that is forward and backward movement. Third one, sensor, that is sense the obstacles or predators. And the fourth one, indication. Subsystems identified: dwelling unit, locomotion unit, sensing unit, and indication unit. Keeping in mind our subsystems identified, we have generated the four concepts: concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, and concept 4. With the help of these concepts and by pug chart evaluation, we have selected one concept, that is concept 3. In virtual implementation, with the help of Autodesk Inventor, we have made the 3D model of the concept 3. In this virtual implementation, we have made the 3D model of the entire subsystem.
Now we focused on 3D model of our land dwelling bot. In this model, first we talk about sensing part. We placed our ultrasonic sensor on the top of the body part of bot so it can sense the obstacle very easily. And for sensor protection, we make proper casing for it so it can save from dust particle and other particle. And now we come on main function of bot. It is digging and locomotive part. For this we make a special type of wheel. This will have a teeth on its outer surface look like as a bucket of JCB so it can easily dig in sand. Below the base part we placed 4 L clamp so we easily fix DC motor on it, and then wheel is connected to shaft of DC motor in such a manner that front right and back left side wheel are placed in same direction and other two are in same direction. And other part of board like Arduino, relay, breadboard, battery and all connection are placed inside the casing. Breadboard are attached to inner side wall of casing and other are placed on base. Back side of casing we put a square hole for input power in whole system, and at last with the help of L clamp we combine upper body part and lower body part of bot, and then our 3D model is complete.
Circuit diagram of the entire system. We have made this circuit diagram in Tinkercad. Considering our requirements and functions, we have included 4 DC motor, 1 Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, and all these are connected to the breadboard and the power is supplied by the 9-volt battery. Flowchart of the entire system. After the start of the system, ultrasonic sensor will detect obstacle or predator, and if the obstacle distance is less than 100 centimeter, then 2 DC motor will move in clockwise and 2 DC motor will move in anti-clockwise, and this will help in achieving digging function. And after that, ultrasonic sensor will detect one more time and if the obstacle distance is greater than 100 system, then our system will stop. Bill of materials required for the entire system: microcontroller, bolts and nuts, washers, tires, DC motors, switch button, ultrasonic sensor, breadboard, main house, battery, clamps, adapter, relay module. Motor sizing of the entire system: torque required is equal to mass of the body, gravitation, diameter of the wheel, whole divided by 2. Mass of the machine is 1.8 kg and acceleration due to gravity is 9.81 meter per second square. Diameter of the wheel is 0.1 meter. So the load torque will be 1.8 into 9.81 into 0.1 and whole divided by 2, and this will be equal to 0.8829 Newton meter. By using the chart of DC generated motor specification, required RPM of motor at 12 volt for 0.8829 Newton meter torque load is 200 RPM. Function specifications of the entire system: movement: the machine should go into run mode after initiation and exhibit more forward movement. Sensing: it should be able to detect obstacle and stop the movement if distance is less than 100 cm. Digging: the wheels with teeth on it should be able to dig and throw the sand. And in next, there will be the simulation of circuit diagram.
I am Shubham and I will explain the simulation of a model. Here is the code for our model. The direction of the motors is controlled by the two motor drivers. When we start the simulation, we can see the distance is more than 100 centimeters, so the machine moves forward. From our perspective, the right side motors move in the anti-clockwise direction and the left side motors move in the clockwise direction. When we reduce the distance to less than 100 centimeters, the machine starts digging and the forward motors change their direction. The right side front motor starts moving in the clockwise direction and the left side front motor starts moving in the anti-clockwise direction. The direction of the diagonal motors are same. This and this move in the clockwise direction and this one in the anti-clockwise direction. Thank you.